Good morning, dear children. In yesterday's class, you all had learned about fraction and their types. Children, hope that you all had learned the name of the fractions and you can easily recognize them. Today, in this class, we will learn to read and write fractional numbers, find the value of numbers, fractional numbers, and color the parts to show the fractions. So let us see how can we read and write fractions. Children, as I told you that in fraction upper number is known as numerator and the lower number is known as denominator. So children, first we will read the numerator, that is 3. After that we will read the denominator, that is 9. One thing you have to remember, in denominator you will add THS, nines. So we will read this 3 nines, right? One more example, 2 by 4. First, what you will write? 2, then 4. Not 4, you will add in denominator THS. So we will read it 2 fourths. This is a way to write fractional numbers in words, right? Now here I will tell you how can we write words in number form. Okay, here the words are 3/4. As you all know, 3 first number is a numerator. This is a division line and fourth means 4. Right? 2 12. So 2 12. Is that clear? Now let us know how can we find the value. So children, here is a fractional number 1 by 7 multiplied by 28, or you can get question like this, 1/7 of 28. So children, remember that of indicates the sign of multiplication. So 1 upon 7 multiplied by 28, right? 28 is a whole number, 1 by 7 is a fractional number. So what children you will do? You will convert this whole number in a fractional number by writing denominator as 1. Now this is also a fractional number. Okay. Now what you have to do? You have to add the numerators with numerator. First numerator multiplied by second numerator. 1 multiplied by 28 and the answer you get 28. Similarly, we will multiply first denominator with second denominator. 7 ones are 7. Children, if you remember, I had told you this line is known as division line. Means to solve this, you will divide numerator by denominator. So, after multiplying, you will divide 28 by 7. How many times you can read table? 4 times. 7 fours are 28. So, the answer of this will be 4. Children, hope you all have understood. Now, let us see one more sum. 1/4 of a meter. One-fourth, how will you write? 1/4. Of means multiplication sign. A meter means 1 meter. And 1 meter has how many centimeters? Because if you will write here 1, you cannot solve it. So, what you will do it, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So, you will write here 100. Okay. And this is a whole number. So, you will change this in fractional number by writing denominator as 1. Okay. Now what you will do? You will multiply both numerators. 100 multiplied by 1, that comes 100. 4 multiplied by 1, that comes 4. What is the next step? Divide. This numerator will be divided by this denominator. So when we divide this by 4, 4 2s are 8. 10 minus 8, 2. Copy down 0. 4 5s are 20. So what is the answer of 1/4 of a meter? The answer of 1/4 of a meter will be 25. Okay. Now let us know about the third type of question, that is color the parts to show the fraction. Suppose you have to show 1/4 part. So then any figure you will draw, any figure, I am drawing here a square. After drawing this square, I will make it 4 part. Because it is written 1/4, so I will divide this square in 4 equal parts, and out of 4, 1 part is colored. So this is a diagram that shows 1/4 part is colored. Now let us do one more sum. You have to show the fraction by coloring its 3/5 part. So what you will do? You will make a figure. I am making here rectangle. And divide this rectangle in 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And out of 5 parts, 3 parts I will color to show 3/5 part. Okay. Any one of the part you can color. Okay. So children, hope you all have understood all these 3 types of sums. So please do the sum that I have given today and do practice of the sums to clear your concept. Thank you and have a good day.